The front grills and the headlights are grids. Sometimes they come smooth. Sometimes now I don't know about this one because these are the only Kroger cars that I have. But Batman casting, the 66 Batmobile casting, sometimes they have a smooth headlight or a smooth grill or both. Welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today we have the Kroger cars from the P-Case. And we got these sent to us from our friends, the Bear family out in Ohio. And I want to thank you guys very much. We don't have Kroger's here. So whenever you guys see me have Kroger stuff, somebody sent it to us. And I always appreciate it. And I give you a shout out, saying thank you. Because I really do. I really appreciate it. Even, when I go on vacation and I go to Kroger's, I never find them. I don't know why, but I never find them. I find all kinds of weird stuff, but never find the cars that, the Kroger special cars. So here they are, Kroger cars, P-Case. First one up is the Datsun Bluebird Wagon 510. And that is done in a mustard yellow, has a light red and black tampo down the side there. It's got black and really light yellow tampos on the hood and the roof. The windows are lightly tinted. Interior is black. The base is black plastic. Now, this one here has lettering on the gas tank, where the gas tank should be. Now, we always have an issue or a variation with the base on these Datsun 510 wagons. Sometimes there is lettering on the gas tank, and sometimes the gas tank is empty. It's just, empty. But sometimes there's just nothing on the gas tank, no writing at all. So this one does have writing. If you got one that doesn't have writing, let us know on the bottom. Also, with the front grille, the 510 wagon will sometimes have a smooth grill, and sometimes they will have a grid grill on them. And this one here is a grid grill. So whichever grill you have, let us know and go from there. That way we can all look for them, right? Wheels, blacked out Steelies, all small ones, all the way around with a red chrome ring on them. And that is the Datsun Bluebird Wagon. Next one up is 1990 Acura NSX, and that is done in white enamel. Has a green pearl R, big one on the hood, with a black background on it and a little bit of black writing underneath it. The tampo on the side is black. Has a little bit on the quarter panel behind the rear tire. Interior is black. The canopy is very dark smoked. I don't see any black paint on the canopy either, so look for, because sometimes you'll have black paint as a roof on the canopy, and sometimes you won't. This one does not have any black paint as a roof. The base is black plastic, and the wheels are chrome 5-spokes all the way around, and it has big ones in the back and little ones in the front. TV Series Batmobile, and that is done in kind of a textured dark red. And it's either satin, probably satin, dark red. It has silver stripes on the hood and the trunk, with the light red bat insignia with the white background. Same on the side. It's got the light red and white bat insignia and silver along the rocker panel. The front grills and the headlights are grids. Sometimes they come smooth. Sometimes now I don't know about this one because these are the only Kroger cars that I have. But Batman casting, the 66 Batmobile casting, sometimes they have a smooth headlight or a smooth grill or both smooth. All right, and also the tail lights will be smooth instead of having a grid pattern in them. I don't know why, but they just do. As you can see on this one, the lower set of grills are gridded or diamond or whatever they are. but the taillights are smooth. So sometimes they come with everything grilled, or, you know, like I said about the headlights, there could be the top grilled and the bottom smooth, or both grilled. But this one here, the bottom set is grilled and the taillights up above are smooth. So check yours, see if you have one that is, you know, smooth all the way around, or it's got texture all the way around. So, but this one I have no idea. If you do have one, let us know. All right, that, you know, a variation we can be looking for. That's a casting variation. So the interior is gray. The windows are clear. The whatever those back flares that come out the back there are gray to go with the interior. The parachutes gray. Base is black plastic, and the wheels are all small chrome classic 5-spokes all the way around. There you go. TV Series Batmobile. Last one up, 67 Camaro, and that is done in gloss black. Has a light red and blue with a little bit of white flames down the side, and stripes coming off of the hood. Interior is gray. Windows are lightly tinted blue. The base is chrome, which goes with the front grille and front bumper, and the rear taillights and rear bumper, the whole rear panel there goes with the chrome grille. The wheels are blacked out MC5s with a red chrome ring on them. Big ones in the back, little ones in the front, and that is it. 67 Camaro. So there are the Kroger cars from the P Case. And again, I want to thank the Bear family in Ohio for sending them out to us. Really appreciate it. As always, thanks for stopping by, watching Hot Wheels TV. Always appreciate it. Please leave a comment. Please subscribe. Please ring that bell. And you ring the bell, and you always find out when we have new episodes coming out. We don't get a chance to do them consecutively like you know, a lot of the other people do. But that way, you know, when one of the, you know, when we have a new video coming out, you get a little email or a notification somewhere. So please, like I said, subscribe, click the bell. Please tell your friends. Please leave a comment, give us a thumbs up, and of course, please be kind to one another. So until the next time we see you right here in Hot Wheels TV, you guys take care of yourselves. Please be safe, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.